How you guys doing? This is the Riviera model. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's gonna be part of the Next Gen series, which means it has that mother-in-law suite with its own separate entrance. This property is available to purchase, and it's also available through our rent-to-own program. So this is going to be the entrance to the mother-in-law suite. You can get to the other part of the house through here. Remember, this is the door we originally came into the house. This is going to be the primary entrance here. And this little door right here takes you into the mother-in-law suite. So that's the unique feature about this house. House is almost complete. You see the blue tape is on the walls. Final little touch-ups that need to be done. Your larger area goes into your 2-car garage. Put a little desk there or something. It's gonna be where your furnace is kept in there. Nice. Stainless steel appliances. As you can see, brand new appliances. Plenty of cabinet space. Pantry. Dishwasher. Really open floor plan. It's gonna be in the breakfast nook right here. You have a nice little whirlpool tub, along with a stand-up shower. Closed up toilet area, and this will be a walk-in closet. Another walk-in closet on this side. So we still got another couple weeks before they finish up all the touches on this one, but it's pretty much ready to be moved into. So okay. Shower tub combo. Bedroom number 2. It's gonna be our 3rd bedroom here. So it's gonna be 3 bedrooms, 2 baths on one side of the house. And then that mother-in-law suite is gonna have 1 bedroom, 1 bath for a total of 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,650 square feet. So if you're interested in purchasing through traditional mortgage or through our rent-to-own program, this Riviera Next Gen model, make sure you reach out to me. My name is Desmond with Combs Premier Realty Group, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.